Hello people and welcome to Elite Dangerous. Elite Dangerous. Okay, it's been a long time, I know, I've been very busy. But this is Elite Dangerous and I bought myself a new ship. I don't know how it was called. It's been maybe more than half a year since I played this game, and now I have to learn again how this works. And I don't remember how.
Cannot comply.
Okay.
Frameshift.
Now we are going. It was as simple as a combination of things. Why is it going backwards? Why is... Okay. Now we're rocking. Now we're rocking. Come on. I love this game. It's so freaking amazing. Some people complain that this game is... how would I call it? Slow. That you do a lot of things for very little reward. Repetitive. If you have played 10 hours, you have seen everything. And it's true. That's all true. And that's why I love this game. I am weird. Okay. Well, it is working. We are gliding. If I recall correctly, now we are like dropping to this planet which has no atmosphere at all. That's the other complaint that a lot of people have, is that this is Elite Dangerous. Elite is very, very old franchise of space simulator games, and 20 years ago we already had a game with the name Elite with planets that had atmosphere, but now they don't seem to work on that anymore. I don't know, maybe they want to do something really, really nice. I would be happy if there was simply a planet with like some kind of atmosphere. When you enter there is like fire and there is like 2 or 3 trees. That doesn't need to be that much. It simply needs to be like an habitable planet with a big city, and that's it. You don't really need to see the city to make you feel that the planet is alive. I don't know. Right now the planet looks dead. This is like the moon in here with there is nothing. So okay. Cargo spook.
Cargo scoop retracted.
No cargo spook. And aha. Now let me see. I made myself Jon Snow or something like that. Deploy. Come on. So the thing is that I bought myself an ultra-wide monitor because I love the feel of being immersed in a game, and 16:9 is not enough for those kinds of games. And it's insane. And I also watch a lot of movies with this screen, so it's quite cool. Now you can see, that's what the thing that I bought. Let me go around it. See if you can see it better. See. Look at that. It's amazing. Let's see if I can... Okay. Can you see it? Oh, you don't flip. Okay. So I don't remember what type of ship is that. It's an ASP Explorer. Now I see it. Okay. But this ship is specialized in exploration. And transport has quite a big looting section. I lost my mind through that sentence. Okay. So you can see it looks quite cool. Fantastic ship. Let's explore that planet. I don't think we'll find anything useful from the box. The way you explore planets is you look at that radar thing that's moving from left to right, and you have to find the signal. And the way it works is that this signal, as you can see, is scattered all over the place right now. So you have to find one that's strong enough and keep following it. Like, for example, that thing right there, that's my ship. As you can see, that signal. You have to find one that's a bit stronger and keep going until you find something good. And that's something good, I don't know what will be, but oh no! Oh no! No, no, please. How can I fix myself in that situation? Is there a way? I am sorry. That's what happens when you don't play Elite Dangerous for so long. Okay. I think, if I recall correctly, that this ship, yep, has some kind of lasers. Which, I don't know if they work, in the sense that can I destroy rocks? No. I know there was a way also
Cargo scoop retracted.
to change the camera. I don't know what that was. Let's try to destroy a rock. One of those right there. Can I destroy rocks? I don't know, I don't think so. That's really dangerous for you. Wallpaper generator. There's not much game in that. But it's a relaxing game. Let's jump. Oh. That's going way too fast. Yes, I know the cargo scoop. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go somewhere else. Oh no, not again.
Cargo scoop deployed.
No.
Cargo scoop retracted.
Seriously, why is that? Why me? Thank you very much. Okay. Let's return. I think you can shoot your own ship. I think. Let's try it. Yes, you can. Ship under attack. Ah, you ship mine ship. Oh. Elite Dangerous. Such a fantastic little game. It's not little at all. But you understand me. It's a good game that's way too expensive. It's quite boring, but it's cool. Let's return. Let's see how.
Incoming mission critical message.
What the fuck? What do you mean by mission critical message. How can I cannot control the camera at all. Thank you. Thank you. Ah. Thank you very much. Oh, round of applause for the little man who has discovered how everything works. Oh, I'm clipping the mic. Ah. Kids, read your instructions. Okay, now everything makes sense. Or not? Why is it not launching? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, first things first. I want to know what that mission update has been. What? Light? Okay. A message for Grim 5. There is some salvage that would like you to retrieve first. Will be compensated for it. 5 days. And if I don't do it, they will kill me. Diplomacy. Okay. So it's... How can I reset the camera? Okay. Hold RT to launch. That's what I'm holding. Oh my. I'm holding RT to launch. It's not working. This is insane. I had to use the other controls that didn't work just to launch my ship. Okay. Fuck this game. Okay. Sincerely Dangerous seems to be the most difficult game ever right now for me to remember how to play. I'm going to play a bit of Planet Coaster. I always love this game. I've been playing it quite a lot recently and I think it's one of the best sandbox games where you will build things ever made. I'm a complete fan of those types of games, so I am going to make a challenge game. This type of game you simply start with a set budget and you start building your park and certain random things can happen. Now I have to see what the place can look like. Tropical, I've played quite a lot of it. Desert, it doesn't look that good, in fact. So I'm going to do Deciduous and I'm going to play in harder mode and it's going to call the YouTube map because I have other... I usually play it some other times and I want to have separate saves. So you can hold majusculas. It's funny. The music is amazing too. Okay, let's pause this first. Okay. Now I'm going to explain how this game works. I don't know if you have seen this, but when this game was released, I think it was the same month, another company decided to launch a game that was about making a theme park too. I don't know if you remember, but there was once a game called Roller Coaster Tycoon, and it was one of the most incredible games ever made about building your own theme park and making money. It was one of those games. It's the same as this one, but it was in 2.5D, I think it's called now. It's like isometric. I will put an image right here, right now, and you'll see that it looks really updated, but it was really fun at that time, at those times. You know what I mean. It's okay. So they released Roller Coaster Tycoon 1, Tycoon 2, and then Tycoon 3, which was the best one yet because it was in 3D and it was the first roller coaster game in 3D and it was fantastic. And it was created by the people that made this game right here that you're seeing. And what's most interesting is that the roller coaster franchise, the roller coaster tycoon franchise, was from Atari. I think it was, yes, I think it was from Atari. And so something happened that the people who made this game, who also, that's another cool thing, I think the one part of the people who made this game, that Planet Coaster that you're seeing right now, is Frontier, which are the ones that made Elite Dangerous. So it all comes together now. So Atari decided to make a new roller coaster tycoon, roller coaster tycoon, roller coaster tycoon, okay? And this roller coaster tycoon, they called it Roller Coaster Tycoon World. And it looks like Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 from 10 years ago. It plays exactly the same. It has huge amounts of DLC. And it's a bad game overall. So it was a surprise when there was another company, those ones that Frontier and the people who made Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 decided to make a better version, which is Planet Coaster, and they released it the same week, I think, and everybody bought Planet Coaster and nobody bought the other one because it was shite, and that's where we are at now. So this is the base game. I don't have any DLCs because they are quite expensive. This game cost me, I think, 30 euros or something like that, and if I want to add all the DLCs, it's now going to cost me 60 more. It's expensive, I don't want to. I'm waiting for them to come down. So, first thing first, I will have to draw a path. Thinking. I know if to make it a bit wider. Let's see. This. Okay. No, my voice. Okay. That looks good. Now, what we have to do now is put like a ride in here because this is the hardest difficulty mode. I haven't got much unlocked. I only have 2 rides, the typical carousel, and this thing. And from my experience, this thing makes much more money than this thing. I'm going to build this somewhere. I think the best thing is not to put it right in front of the entrance because when it breaks this thing, because those rides can break easily, everybody is going to leave, and I don't want that. I want them to stay a bit longer until it's repaired. I'm going to put that here and place the entrance right in here. The exit farthest away possible, like that. So now, what we have to do is connect the entrance. And to do that, first I will have to choose a texture. Aha! It's now complete. But we can't open it yet. Because if I open it now, people don't be quite keen on riding it on that thing. They look at it and they say, this is stupid, it looks so dumb. Because I need decorations. To decorate that, I'll have to use... First I will change the lighting so that looks a bit better. And now, let's place some trees. I have to take a look at the budget because I only have $92. Yes, I think $200. So I have to look at that. How rocks are very inexpensive. I'm going to tropical rocks can be quite good. One of the things that I really love about this game is that decorating is so easy. I mean, I can repeat rocks because there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 types of rocks. 6 types of rocks. Fuck. I can't sum. No, 7. 7 types of rocks. Okay. There are only 7 types of rocks. But as you can see, I can rotate them. I can fuse them. And they look like different rocks. That's fantastic. I really enjoy how easy it is to decorate in this game. We said that I wanted it to be a far west map, western. So let's put some cactus. I'm out of money. But not to worry, I still have 750. I can still place some bushes with flowers. Yeah. Okay, now I can put... is there something that I can buy? Nope. Too expensive. Oh, they have added new things, a new update. Cool. I think I can buy a new rock. Because they were cheaper. Let's see. 2, 6... Okay, I can buy this small tropical rock. And another one. And I need 2 cents for another one. Okay, great. And now, if you take a look at that, it's still not that good scenario writing, but it's 22. Maybe a lot of people want to go in that ride. I don't know. And so, unpause. Change lighting. Camera effects? What the hell? This is new. They have added that maybe 2 days ago, something like that. Oh, wow. I can, wow. Oh, byte rate. Wow. That's cool. So you want to take screenshots. Oh, black, white, saturate. That's really cool.
Hello! Hello! Welcome to my park. Here you're going to experience fantasy like never before. It is, like kind of far west light with nothing.
I'm bad at making jokes, I'm bad at making videos, I'm bad at everything, but it's okay.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, we are making money. Time to pause. Now that we have some money. And put more scenery. In theory, the more expensive the decoration is, the more people will come. And I found that lighting is one of those things that really helps in those situations. I'm going to put those kinds of lights around the track. And you can change color too, but to make it look cooler, let me change to night mode. And now, that's cool. We put that in here. No money. Okay, right now is that. Has that increased from 22 to 26? Good. And now we can continue. That's how you play this game at highest difficulty. If not, you are going to lose everything. And we have music. That's what people see. The attention to detail in this game is so amazing. You can even change the colors of the ride. That's what I'm going to do now. USA! USA! Okay, I think that will work. But with less color, because it's supposed to be like Far West and it's going to be old and stuff. Okay, so now we have one ride complete. I don't have money for more. And that's why I am going to take a loan. The best way to take a loan right now is to pause, take the loan, and now start building that thing. Nobody's going to want to ride that thing because it's so uninteresting. Look at that thing. Excitement, no excitement at all. Fear, no fear at all. And it has right amount of nausea, but it's not good, it's bad. And because of that, what I'm going to do is set the price a lot lower. It's going to cost $3 only to get into that. And that reminds me that I may want to increase the price of this one a bit. Because it's a new one, it's a new ride. And everybody is going, oh, it's new, I want to pay every penny to go into that thing. Once it's getting older, the reputation will start to go down, and it will get to a point when it's considered old and nobody wants to pay money for it, so you have to lower the price a lot. But then it will start to be popular again, and in 13 years it's going to be classic, which means that you can make them pay as much as if it was new, because everybody's saying, oh, it's such a classic, I want to pay everything. Okay, listen to the music, it's so fantastic. Okay, that's one thing. Doesn't look quite good, but don't worry, it's going to get fixed. The exit will be that way. And that's one trick. That's one trick I discovered. Well, I watched the video on YouTube of a man, I don't recall his name. But when you get those kinds of rough edges on the path, you can simply place another one, delete it, and it's going to be smoother. It's a fantastic piece of advice. I still have 1,000 and something dollars to spend. Now I am going to put even more decoration. First, places where the people can see it. That's quite important because people can get tired, and if they get tired, they're going to leave. So, beams. We still don't have shops, so there is not going to be much shit going to around the park, so it's a baloo. It's not that of a problem. Can place lights. And you may have noticed that now the video is full. The screen is full now because I changed from 21:9 to 16:9 because I know not much of you have an ultra-wide monitor and I don't want to make the video look weird for you, so I'm playing it 16:9, not 21:9. That's how the game plays. It's only it's like Cities Skylines in a way, but it's not so fast. Cities Skylines is a fast game and it doesn't look like it, but you can lose a lot of money real fast. This game, you take your time. Simply start building. I wonder if I can build like some kind of shack, Far West shack in here for the decoration, and I will show you how it's done. So the way you build buildings is by using I want something that looks a lot more like Western. The way you build, it's so simple. Simply place the first piece in here, and now a grid has appeared which lets you build whatever you want, wherever you want. And this is going to be no, just a little shack where people place their stuff in it. So it's not going to be detailed at all, it's going to be quite shitty. It's Far West, so the way I want this to look is a bit like that. Now you can see that there are those spaces in here. You can fix them quite quickly. I'm sorry if I am bad at this game, but I have my way of playing it. And if you want to play it in another way, play it yourself. That's one thing that I really don't dig. The people who criticize other people for playing the game the way they want to play it, they don't want to play it. Things. I mean, it's a game and everybody plays it the way they want. I play it that way, and I'm certain there are people who play better than me. Why is it not lining up? Okay. Lot of grass. I need to unlock the decoration from westerns and all of that. That's the way it's going to look much better then. Because right now I can only put those things. Once I can get a lot of things unlocked, then it's going to look a lot nicer. White flowers. Ooh. Colors. They have added this. This is new. This is new. Oh. This is new. Looks so cool. It's the flower from Super Mario. Wow. That's going to look amazing. People are going to love my park. Yeah, certainly this game is a lot easier to learn than Elite Dangerous. So it's made by the same people, as I said. It's a lot easier. Roses. Oh, that looks amazing. Rotating the plants and trees when you're placing them can be quite a good idea too, because they follow the same direction, as you can see. If you look at that, they are going to look the same. But if you look at that, they are a bit more random and look a bit cooler. Okay, and it's finished. Look at that thing. Now when it's in the dark. Wow. That looks amazing. Are people going to like that? Yes. Does it affect that thing? I think so. Oh, no. Now I can open that and I can be rich. I still have $1,000, which I can spend degrading this park. And what I'm going to do is duplicate this several times. Make it look like it's a forest. Okay. Now I need some kind of grass to put the bottom. What I can do is also modify the terrain and paint it with leaves. Okay, and since the tree color doesn't match the leaves, I'm going to place trees that look a bit more like the leaves that are in the ground. And now I need some kind of bushes to make the ground feel a bit more alive. Is a bit way too high. Okay, that's better. And to make it look a bit better. I know I'm going to regret that. Let's modify a bit the terrain. Just a little bit. That removes a bit of the leaves, which is quite good too. And there we have it. You can play now. Now the loan I will have to pay it. The more you spend per month, the less interest you have to pay, so that's what I'm going to do. Now that looks fantastic. It's still empty because the park only has 2 attractions, but once it starts getting more and more attractions, it's going to look a lot better. Oi, through the trees. That's what they see. Oi, through the trees. Maybe those trees I should move them a bit further away. It's a matter of practice. That looks really, really cool. Now I'm going to save that. New park, YouTube map, save. And I'm going to show you, not the one that I did. This is a map that I did on one of those missions that the game has, and I made a ride based on a movie. Is that right? Let's see if you know which movie this is. When the people go, I will give you a hint while the people are going to enter the ride, because I put the music. I hope I don't get copyright strike for that. But let's look at that woman and see what the people hear when they go to that ride. Yep. If you haven't guessed the new movie, if you haven't guessed the movie yet, well, you haven't seen it, because that's the music. So this is the game. This is the ride, and you're going to see. I will change. I will change it so that you can see it better. And if you haven't guessed the movie yet, this is the never-ending story. I made a rock biter. Yes, I did. It looks awful, but I did it. I made a turtle, which looks even worse. But I didn't make the turtle. That turtle I downloaded from the store and I just added it some eyes. It looks so bad. I am so sorry. But that's what I did. Now I see that I don't know why this is floating. It wasn't floating. Maybe something due to the updates that have been rolled out in this game, because it wasn't looking like that. So yes, you can place your music on your game too, which is fantastic. For example, you can change the music from this to... what's that? Can you hear it? And also, I know he won't demonetize me. I've used that music a lot on my pirate maps. That's Miracle of Sound for you. Fantastic, man. This is one dude who is making that music. It's so great. And also, you can even... let me show you how to do that. Kind of a speaker, I think it was. Display speaker. Let's put two of them. Okay. And you can use screen. And you can then use images, videos that you have on your computer. You have to convert them first. They are in a weird format. Let me stop that. And edit speakers. Use those two speakers. And I will now load the music. Just volume. Okay.
When I found you.
Yep. You can put those things in your park and it looks fantastic.
Untamed power.
The problem is that it desynchronizes a bit.
Beyond that.
And I even placed an entire movie in this park. Seriously. I have. I did it. There is the full movie in here and sometimes I watch it on my park. And you can place it there and people, if you put seeds and all of that, people are going to watch it. It's such an incredible game. But that will be it. I don't want to spoil anything else. You have to play that game, it's so great. I really recommend it. Just for the sheer fun of making your own theme park. Yep. That's great. And even if it looks bad, it's mine. I did this abomination. Okay, so that will be it. I'm going to play something else then. Bye! I don't know what else to say. Bye!